This tool is engineered to seamlessly accept standard bits thanks to its magnetized bit holder, simplifying bit swaps, whether you prefer insert or power bits. With its ratcheting action, you can work continuously without the need for constant wrist adjustments, ensuring seamless efficiency. The heavily textured mid-zone delivers in parallel torque, while the low-textured base zones offer rapid precision for intricate tasks. But wait, there's more. This versatile tool is bundled with an array of essential sizes, including PH-1, PH-2, T25, SQ-2, SL8-10, 1/4 nut driver, 3/8 nut driver, and 5/16 nut driver. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking tool that's redefining the game.